Well, hello guys, it's me Lokveer and I'm back. So this is the linear equation in two variables video. So sorry for that. Yeah. So now coming, let us start. So for the first exercise 4.1, first sum and second sum is a must and you have to have a look at it. Now I'm going to cover the major topics. First one is solution sets. Okay. Solution sets is nothing but finding solutions for a linear equation in two variables. So you have to take it as you have to express x in terms of y or y in terms of x and substitute the value of y or x respectively. And second, you have to find how to verify the solution sets. That means they would have given a linear equation and the value of x and y, some value, and they'll ask you to find out that is the value or the set of number given a solution of the given linear equation. Third, we have to find the value of a variable. So I'll just write it as third. We usually take it as k or any variable is okay. Any variable or that is a, p, k, that's most of the times they ask. So finding the value of k, they would have already given a solution set or indirectly given a solution set, so we can substitute that and find the value of k. And later we have to express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. That means that x in terms of y means always x should be on the LHS and everything should be on the RHS including y. Y in terms of x means y should be in the LHS and everything other than y and x should be in the RHS. Let us take an equation x plus y is equal to 7. So expressing x in terms of y, we get x is equal to 7 minus y. Expressing y in terms of x, we get y is equal to 7 minus x. So guys, that is just so simple that you have to keep x in terms means x in LHS and y in terms means always y in the LHS. Okay, next it just comes to the graph, which means you have to find some solution sets that is minimum 4, but if you are really time shortage you can make 3. You have to find 3 solution sets and they'll be in a like a coordinate point, so you have to plot it on the graph. Next, there's a taxi fare problem that for the first hour or the first kilometer he charges 8 rupees and for the subsequent hour or the kilometer he charges 5 rupees. So in such an equation you have to have a look at the classwork and it is very simple to understand. Next, we get the proportionality question telling that the force applied is directly proportional to the distance traveled. If F is the force, okay, next. So if F is the force applied and D is the distance traveled and both are proportional, so therefore F is directly proportional to D, which gives us an equation F is equal to KD. Yeah, KD. Okay, so there K is the constant, proportionality constant, which we have to apply. So this is just the type of a question. And next, they'll ask us to find y-intercept. They'll ask us to find y-intercept and x-intercept. So whenever they say x-intercept means y will always be 0. Y-intercept means x will always be 0. Now just keep one thing in mind. Y-intercept means the opposite, that is x will always be 0, and x-intercept means the opposite, y will always be 0. Next they'll ask us to just show these equations in one or two variables. That is, in one variable means they would have just given only one variable, that is x or y, and ask us to denote it geometrically in one variable or two variable. One variable is always a number line and two variable is always along with the x-axis and the y-axis. So that is just how you have to show. For this you have to find solution sets, and for this nothing, you have to just mark the numbers and just box it out so that it's that one, and that is marked, and that's it guys. This is the thing left. And only one sum which they may ask is to form triangles in the graph using some coordinates, or they will give linear equations, and you have to just mark out, and they may maximum ask you to tell the perimeter or the area. So it's half into base into height. So that's it, guys. This is about all the linear equation. If you have any doubts, you can ask me on Monday or before maths exam. So this is the video about linear equations in two variables. I hope it has helped you people. So I will try uploading many videos of science as well, so that it helps you guys. And social, please do not ask me. I'm very weak in that. So let us see. Sanskrit and English, I suppose there's no need to upload any. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.